If you want to transfer your old data from Android to new Samsung S26 and you want to transfer easily, so don't worry about that. I will show you and tell you the step by step method how you can transfer the data. So first of all, guys, you need to turn on your Samsung Galaxy S26. After during setup, choose transfer data. Once you have opened the smart and accounts backup, after that select Android as the old device. Once you do this, install the Samsung Smart Switch on the old Android if it is not installed. The connects phone. After connecting, you can use Wi-Fi or wireless, and also USB as well. It is more faster than wireless. After that, select what you want to transfer, like contacts, photos, videos, and files, apps, or all of that, messages, documents, and all things that you want to transfer in your new Samsung S26 Ultra from your old phone. You have to select, and first you have select all data, then tap on the transfer. After some moment, data will start transferring into the new Samsung phone, and after some minutes your data, all data which you select, it will transfer in some moments. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.